Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Welcome everyone to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining, and to my existing subscribers, you know it's always been love from day one. So today we are going to get into some Born Pretty PR unboxing, and Born Pretty also have a sale that started today. So it's, all in aid to support Mother's Day. And that 50%, 50% discount code is MOM50. MOM50. I will leave it across the screen. I will leave it in the description box with a link that will take you straight into shop, and I will also leave a link for the products. So this is a jelly. It's a milky white jelly nude gel, BPJN01. As I said, I will leave a link for the products that I'll be using in this video today. And this is absolutely gorgeous. If you are thinking about the milk bath nails, or if you even want to do like the peep nails, this is absolutely awesome. Okay, so I did do 2 coats of that milky white, and I will show you that once it's cured. So now I'm just showing you the 9D Cat's Eye Magnetic Gel. Now the color of this is CM03. This is absolutely gorgeous. I have unboxed this before on my channel, but I absolutely love this 9D Cat Eye. It is so versatile and there isn't anything not to love about it. Again, I'm using a black swatch because I don't know, I find that sometimes, the magnetic gels look really, really like crazy when you swatch it on black or use it on top of black. My nail sister Priya has tried using jelly colors, and it's also a really good base to use. I think I might be trying that in this video. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm just literally just showing you how easy this is, because you can use the magnet from Born Pretty and it works perfectly with this magnetic gel. Effortless. But with that being said, look at this. It's like literally you can create a black hole in the nail using the cheese cutter part of the magnet. Now not all of them do come with that little bit at the end, but a lot of them I do have do. So you can get them from Amazon, you can get them from Born Pretty. They do have magnets, and yeah, it's just so responsive for me. So one of the other things that I did get is this amazing glitter. It's hollow, it's silver, like it's so shiny. So on top of the milky white, I haven't put any base or top coat. I'm just going to use the sticky layer, and OMG, oh my gosh, that is awesome. I'm just working from the lid just to, I just want to have a little swatch just to see. But what this does to the nail is just so simple. Like, it was just giving very silver, because I was thinking, wait, what was my base again? But yeah, so now I just thought this would be the perfect way for me to test the matte. Now this is an eggshell matte top coat. I will leave a link for it as well. So I really wanted to try that with this because I just wanted to see, and OMG, they did not scrimp on the eggshell pieces. This is probably the most opaque one I've seen, and I do love it. So just please stay tuned. You'll see this when it comes out of the lamp. But right before that, I'm going to show you this chameleon cat eye pigments. Oh my gosh, you can already see, looking in that little pot, it's already shifting and I haven't done anything. So I'm going to make my own cat eye. I've got some base coat already in my little palette, and you know, this is now down to your discretion. Just think of the quantity and think of that pigment to base coat ratio based most probably on how much you're trying to make. And I think it's okay to make small bits at a time. I think, what did I do? One, two, this was enough for like 3 nails. So it's totally up to you. But I have also heard that the more pigments in a cat eye will determine how responsive it is. So for that reason, I wasn't going to scrimp. I made sure I had enough. Again, I'm going to swatch this on a black tip. Now, bear in mind, this is a mixture I have made myself using the Born Pretty Chameleon Cat Eye pigments. Absolutely, absolutely amazing stuff. I couldn't wait to get the magnet to it. I was like, oh my gosh. Now, I do want some more colors. Like, when I actually looked on the website, I think this was the only one actually available, but definitely I'm sure Born Pretty will get some more of them in stock. Wow, look at that. That is like money green. OMG. Now you can see the pigments. Now, to me, this is very, very responsive for a cat eye I just made, like literally. So I do have some other cat eye pigments, not from Born Pretty, but I don't think the green I have is like this. So anywho, I've cured it. I think I did 2 little coats, and now I was like, what else can I do? So I got out my omnipotent cat eye gel. Now you can blame Priya K's nails for that, sincerely, because she's been going on about it, and when I saw her do a swatch, I was like, OMG, that's for all your galaxy fantasies. So I just thought, you know what, let's put some of that on top, because cat eyes really, if you find a nice combo, you will be absolutely amazed. So again, I'm just gonna you know, play with this magnet. There is no right or wrong way. As long as you magnetize those pigments, something will happen. Definitely, you know, I just always say to people, play, play, play till you see what you like. Okay, so I still had some more of that mixture on my palette, so I just thought, let's swatch it on a jelly. Now this is a jelly nude BPJN20. Again, I will leave a link for this stuff. I have already swatched it before, but I will leave a link just to make it easier for you. If you see it and you're just like, yep, I want it, I'll leave a link for it. But I'm just literally just putting some of that cat eye mix I've just made on top of this, just to see how, you know, it moves, what it looks like, and hopefully you can really see it better, or maybe in a different way because it's on top of that jelly red. But I just find it so, so stunning. I mean, I didn't stop there. I still went on and did more and some more. So I'm going to just let you watch the rest of that, and I will come back in. Okay, it's good, it's pretty, but still we're doing more. So I am now going on top of that with the 9D cat eye I unboxed today. And this should show a little contrast. It's so hard to show it to you on camera, but I promise you, when you are doing this in real life, you'll see the different like colors and just the different reflections. So yeah, this the pigments I would 100,000% recommend. It's so easy to make your own cat eye, and really just like you can tailor it to your needs. So I'm going to be looking for some more of them, most definitely. Do you see what I mean? Okay, so I got this stamping plate as well, lots of like marbles, and I just love it. There even looks like a thunder strike, no joke, but it's just lots of marbles and veins. And I think it's fair to say that sometimes shapes like this really just trip out some people. But I'm just literally doing a swatch just to show you one of the patterns on this stamping plate. And I did also use a white Born Pretty stamping gel, and it's the one in the bottle. I have tried the one in the tube, the gel. I love them both. They still both work. And I just literally stamped it, just something random in white on top of that, because we're swatching. I want to show you that, the stamping plate works, the Born Pretty gels work. I'm not using the Born Pretty stamper because I messed my one up, so I do need to get another one. But yeah, that's literally all I did. And I just thought it was amazing. So guys, we're nearly at the end of the video now. I'm literally just going to show you everything. Look at that nail. It looks like silver. Absolutely gorgeous. That matte eggshell. Love it. Definitely going to be doing more with that. And I love the cat eye because I think I put it on 3 nails. The 9D cat eye is awesome. That glitter, everything. The milky white, love it. So again, guys, please feel free to use and share this 50% discount code MOM50, and that sale is going right through from today till the 15th of May. So that's from the 9th of May to the 15th of May this year, 2023, guys. Yes, I did just put a little bit of bling on that nail with a stamping because, where the edge was, just to, finish it. Like, didn't like that. Anyway, guys, I love you lots. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Please, please, please check out the sale. You'll find something, and I can guarantee I have bought a lot of things for $20. So if I'm gonna get 50% off, I'm gonna get twice as much. So just saying. Anyway, guys, love y'all.